Hello, today I will show you how to turn your old electronic into a beautiful and unique gift or room decor. With the holidays coming up, this could be a perfect gift that any tech enthusiast or audiophile would love. You can find plenty of frame art with iPhones or gaming consoles online, but these artworks cost over $100. So today I will teach you how you can create unique art yourself, which is a beautiful piece of disassembled JBL speaker. The best part is that no one is selling such artwork yet. If you like this, there will be a similar artwork with disassembled JBL headphones on the TechCrew DIY channel. To do this you will need a deep wall frame. I will use the IKEA Wastan head frame, which is for A3 page size. You will also need to carefully disassemble the item you want to place in the frame. It can be anything for this project. I will use the JBL Go 2 Bluetooth speaker. You can use any item you see fit for this work. Next, place the disassembled parts on the frame-sized paper. To see how them look, find best spot for any part. Once you've found the right spots for the parts and the overall layout looks good, you can write down next to each part what it is. Since my handwriting is not very good, I measured all the details and wrote them in the free drawing program GIMP. Then printed it on an A3 sheet. After that, glued the printed sheet with the labels on the frame. Be careful here, as liquid glue can damage the paper, so I used a glue stick. Once the sheet is glued, cut off the extra edge. Then place the frame back in. Then carefully glue the disassembled parts on the sheet. I use super glue. This process should not be hurried. Take your time and enjoy it. While the glue dries, you can check your work. I personally like it, and I couldn't find anyone online who had made something like this with a JBL speaker. When the glue has dried, you can connect the parts with lines, which are labeled further. You can also draw these lines before printing, but my GIMP skills aren't that good. If you want to place glass in front of the artwork, take work out, insert the glass, or in the case of the IKEA frame, plastic, and finally place the artwork back in, attaching it to the frame's back. And that's the result. Framed JBL Go 2 Bluetooth speaker, which can be used as a great gift or room decor that will definitely spark questions from any friend. Next time on the TechCrew DIY channel, I will create framed art using JBL Bluetooth headphones. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments, but now I wish you a peaceful holidays.